So the light on the front of the Mallard is a really handy little light, but I'm always worried about about somebody just walking by and just turning the light on and just draining the battery. And I also noticed that the light on this is actually an incandescent light bulb. And so what I actually did was I actually picked up picked up some lights from Amazon. I'll go ahead and post the link below. But these are some nifty little lights. So this is actually a 5-pack. So, and then so as far as actually doing this, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Just pop the cover off, take the bulb out. Really easy to do. Drop the new bulb in. And it's actually a little bit brighter than the last one. So, and it's also consuming roughly probably like 10% of the original power. Max 20%, but that's a significant less power consumption when it comes to running off your battery power for your RV. So it should be a lot better. So less worry. So changing out marker lights on the sides of the trailers are really easy. This is the Mallard M185, and so I just grab a little plastic spudger here, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. So this is the light bulbs here are 194s. You can see that right there. And so these are some LED packs I got from Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link below. And these work pretty well. The cool part about these particular ones, they don't necessarily care about polarity, so you don't have to worry about putting them in the wrong direction. They have a little resistor or a little regulator that's actually built onto them. They have 2 of them, so it'll actually it'll go in both directions, so you don't have to worry about it. Just pop it back on. There, converted to LED, so it should be a little bit brighter and a little more visible. So perfect. So for changing out the bulb underneath the range, it's pretty easy. You just gotta push the little tab goodie here, grab the little light piece, and basically gotta reach up, grab the little light. It's a little 12-volt light here. Same little lights as outside, and it goes into the same little light fixture, little plug guy, and there we go. Now it's LED based, and then just gotta slide this, just gotta put it back in the track here. I think the hardest part is just getting this back in here and then just popping it back in. There we go. All better. All LED based.